Okay guys, so I got my model Anastasia here. She's got that very white porcelain skin, you know, the blonde. And so I'm going to use my 50mm for this. This is my 50mm 1.4 USM Canon lens. It's one of those very affordable lenses, the older Canon lenses. It's like $300, but I just wanted to show you guys how amazing it is for portraits. If you're a beginner photographer, this lens takes some great shots. So I'm going to photograph at 1.4 aperture for these so we can get more of that bokeh. The light here is actually really pretty. Yeah, that's cute. Yes, that's perfect. Now the only thing with this lens is, you know, because it's one of the older USM lenses, the autofocus on it is a little bit slower in the sense of if you are trying to do like fast movement, maybe walking, running shots. So if you're someone that photographs wedding or you're photographing fast-paced events or in low light, I don't really recommend getting this lens. I would look into getting the L series or the RF 50mm, even though you're gonna pay the price, you're gonna pay the cost. If you're more of like a portrait photographer or you wanna do family, this is a great actually starter lens. So I just wanna let you guys know that. She's sitting on these really pretty rocks. So these are actually really, really gorgeous. Take a few more, bring both of the flowers a little closer to you again, kind of a tight shot. Yes. So find another spot. There's like more like orangey, you can try that. Actually move this side. Oh, these are gorgeous, yeah. Yeah. Wow, yeah, these are really pretty. Let's bring some of your hair forward and some back. Bring the flowers, if you can, even closer to you, like to your face, yeah. Very cute. Cute. I wonder if there's somewhere you can kind of bring him underneath your chin. Maybe take a few like this. Yes, yes, yes. That's beautiful. So I always recommend to have the sun behind your model. I feel like that's always like the prettiest lighting because then there's this little glow from the behind her. And I think those shots are always the prettiest. Maybe just take like one piece and just play with the one. And just kind of bring it forward. Yeah. Yes, just like so. But make sure your body postures toward me more. Yeah. And then bring your hands a little bit more together. Yep. Yes, yes, perfect. They're really good. Just take a couple more and then I think we'll be good for this one. And again, even though she's moving, like I can see it auto, you know, I'm using the mirrorless. So again, when you're using the, you know, the mirrorless cameras, that's gonna help with the autofocus, especially on this lens. Now you do have to get an adapter, but again, adapters are like $100, okay? Beautiful. Okay, I think that'll work. I'm not gonna do any full body ones on these. I really just wanted the orange around her. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and that's good. Those are good.